The agenda was made clear from the start of the 2017 calendar year.
It is the year when changes are going to come. It is the year when we are going to confront some things. We're going to disrupt the criminal forces. We're going to get a new commissioner.
My tenure as Commissioner of Police will be characterized by the valiant fight against corruption.
We're going to be taking 200 more motor vehicles into the force. We're going to be expanding the CCTV network. We're going to be investing heavily into the intelligence network.
We are working as hard as we can to put in place the resources so that the police can do their job.
We are moving this year to expand and improve the police training college.
When you add all the spaces that will be made available, we will be able to train approximately 1,000 police officers every 6 months.
We're also targeting lottery scamming, corruption within the police force, and cyber crimes. And we are focused as a government in our resolve to reduce the number of illegal guns on our streets. We are determined as a government to reduce the amount of illegal guns on the streets and to lock down the gunmen, trader, and renter of firearms.
Resources were also made available in 2017 to tackle transnational crime.
We will continue to equip the Coast Guard, and we will give them the resources that is needed to effectively patrol and monitor our maritime space.
Meanwhile, 40 Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF members received training in counterterrorism management, and 200 pastors and peer counselors attached to the JCF were trained in domestic violence intervention. Also in 2017, technological apps were introduced to streamline efficiency within the JCF, and police stations repaired to improve working conditions. With the capacity building, by July, the country recorded a 5% reduction in 5 major crimes. Murder and shooting remained areas of concern, which led the government to declare zones of special operations in hotspot areas of Montego Bay and Kingston. This was supported by the law reform Zones of Special Operations, Special Security and Community Development Measures Act 2017, which was passed in both houses of Parliament. Over $2 billion was approved by Cabinet to facilitate the operation and provide equipment for the officers. The combined operations yielded 9 firearms, 34 rounds of ammunition, and a credit card machine used in lottery scamming activities. It also created a more peaceful environment for citizens. Key social interventions in Mount Salem and Denham Town communities were started. Over at the Department of Correctional Services, young offenders were targeted for rehabilitation. The We Transform Youth Empowerment and Rehabilitation Program was introduced to reduce reoffending and prepare them for reintegration in society.
To carry them along the spectrum of engaging them and providing not just life skills, vocational skills and academic skills, but opportunities for internships and apprenticeships and for jobs, so that when they reintegrate with purpose and with a fair chance to actually stay out of the facility and become constructive and productive citizens in our country.
For the older inmates, rehabilitation also continued, while electronic ankle bracelets were introduced to monitor those on bail. The Department of Correctional Services also received riot gears to boost the capacity of its officers. The dedication of the National Security Ministry to create a safer Jamaica for all maintained the reduction in 5 major crimes by the end of 2017. And the strategy continues in 2018 with strong performance to build prosperity.
We, as a government, remained resolved and resolute, firm and committed, focused and strong. We will not be deterred in our mission.